If you're looking for an attractive but unique container garden that looks great in any shady setting, consider a container moss garden. They're easy and fun to make, and it only requires a few basic parts and ingredients that you may already have around the house. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own container moss garden in just a matter of minutes. Now this works great for a deck or patio or even a front stoop. And the container can be anything you want, like this nice piece of ceramic, all the way down to something inexpensive like this that you can get at any garden center for $1 or $2. These are the ones that go underneath those big plastic pots. Well, you know what? This also makes a great container for our moss garden. So let's just go ahead and plant one of these out. Now, no matter what container you use, the most important thing is that it has drainage in it, because unlike any other plant, moss doesn't have roots to suck up that extra moisture, and you don't want the moss sitting in damp soil for too long. Now, the next thing you need to do once you pick your container is to cover those drainage holes with some fabric. Now, that allows the water to go through if you use the right fabric, like this landscape fabric, but it keeps the soil medium in. Now, this was just cut to size, and you can find this at any garden center as well, but you know what else works just as easily? Coffee filters, and who doesn't have those around the house? But once you cover this area, the next thing you need to do is put some gravel in to actually help with the drainage even a little bit more. So we've selected a gravel for that. And you just cover it up. You just pour it over the fabric or the coffee filters until it's covered, and then it's time to add the potting medium. Whatever potting medium you choose, it's most important that it be a well-draining mixture. Spread out the potting soil and level it with your hands. Start with your biggest elements, like a large piece of wood or stone, and place it there first. As you place other stones in the container, be sure to press them down slightly into the soil so that they're partially buried and have a natural look. Then just start tucking in your moss. As you place each piece, press it down firmly. Next, you can add various small plants. Just gently tuck them down into the soil. It's nice to have plants with different leaves and textures, but keep them all about the same size in your miniature landscape. If you find that you have soil on the leaves of your plants or the moss, just give the container a misting with water as you work. Continue adding various mosses and plants until you have the entire container filled in as you like. By including different mosses with varying shades of green, you can create a lot of added interest. When you're all done, give the entire container a good misting with water and keep it moist for the first few months until the moss is well established. If you'd like, you can add some gravel or small stones on top of any exposed soil to keep it from washing away and also to add to the overall look of the garden. A container like this does best outdoors, but can be brought inside for short periods of time or for special occasions. And with proper care, it should give you years of enjoyment.